How to change your horoscope on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can change your horoscope, your zodiac or your astrological sign on Snapchat. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change the zodiac sign, there isn't an option to directly go ahead and change the zodiac sign. So instead what you need to do is you need to change the date of birth, and if your date of birth is correct according to that astronomical sign, the Snapchat app is going to get the data and actually give you that specific horoscope on which your birthday actually lies. So there are a couple of differences between this. For example, if Pisces horoscope starts from February 19 and until February 18 is, let's say, Aquarius, and when you switch to anywhere between and before February 18, you're going to be switched to the Aquarius horoscope sign. So that is the one thing that you want to keep in mind. What you want to do is now first just go ahead and open Snapchat, tap on the profile icon from the top left. Here you can see my current horoscope is Pisces. So to change this, you have to change the date of birth. Tap on the gear icon from the top right, go to the option called birthday, and currently it is set to 19th of February. So in this case, if I just select 18th of February, from 18th actually starts Aquarius. So which means that if I tap and continue, I just tap on the OK button. Now I'm basically going to come back, and then if your birthday is accepted, you can come back and you'll be able to see that you have successfully changed your horoscope. Now keep in mind that if you had reached a birthday limit, you will not be able to do it. There will be no other limitations and actually exceptions as to why you can go ahead and then change your birthday again, because in my case, while in the process of making all these tutorial videos, I changed my birthday relatively too many times. That is why I'm not going to change the birthday as of moment, but you can go ahead and change the birthday and then change your horoscope sign in that way. That's all it takes to change your horoscope, your zodiac or your astrological sign on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.